Gravy, gravy, I was grocery store flexing.
Why do you have Why do you have a camera? Wait, do you have a YouTube channel because you have a camera?
Huh?
Do you have a YouTube channel because you have a... Oh, which one is it?
House Mass.
Okay, Mass?
House
That name? Oh, okay. So, ready?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, real quick before...
Hey.
Okay. Keep in mind this is a non-judgmental environment, even though people call us judges.
Okay, you put that in.
Just saying.
The box.
Okay.
Okay, don't talk during song. Okay?
Talk to
Yeah.
yourself.
Yeah. When I walk on by, girls be looking like his eyes a fly. I soft to the beat, walking on the street knowing fully G, yeah. This is how I roll, Alex in my mind, Ella out of control.
So the second fact about the Rubik's Cube that you probably didn't know is how it got its name. The name Rubik's is the last name of the inventor Erno Rubik, and that's how the name Rubik's Cube came to life.
When I walk on by, girls be looking like his eyes a fly. I soft to the beat, walking on the street knowing.
Hey, fellas, knock off all that high society crap and play some of this.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Come on. Insanity. Wait, is that a nice to the root, to the B, to the Rick? Banshee Moyu, make your dawn pick. N to the I, to the C, to the E. It's time to whip out the rubiks. Yeah, it's speed solving time to make it happen. Hit your PB before I finish.
Hey everyone, I figured out this really neat trick to orient just one... FBI,
open up! Booty game vicious, couldn't find the gravy, so I gave her some assistance.
Gravy approached me, said his flow so nasty, them girls they drop their panties, but he be macking on their mamas, make them enchiladas with the extra guava,
Yeah, I usually go for mamas, but this chick sang like Madonna, so you know I had to holler like a baller. Got koala, pull up on his bed, he got the number.